Hey, good day everyone. I've got this Costco chicken here. I'm gonna do something a little bit different today. Usually I'll throw it on the grill, but I want to try to actually cook this in the oven. So I'm just gonna follow the oven directions and see how it turns out. Get this baby to 450. All right, while that's coming up to temp, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little olive oil in the bottom of these so it doesn't stick, and I'll spread it all around. You can use, your typical non-stick spray for this. Just happen to have a little bit of olive oil here, so I figure I'd use that. All right, I got these things ready to go, and our oven's up to preheat. It's up to 450, so I'm gonna go ahead and place these in there and set the timer for 20 minutes. That chicken smells delicious. All right, got it up to 450. Go ahead and put it in the oven. All right, it's been cooking for 20 minutes now. Oh, it smells delicious. I'll go ahead and pull these out, flip them over. Turn them all over. We'll put them back in the oven. Cooking for another 15 or 20 minutes till they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees. I'm gonna flip this one too. All right, just got a notification from the timer that these are done. Oh, it smells delicious, like I said. Let me just check the temp on these before I pull this one out. Got my food thermometer here. Oh yeah, 177. I like to check quite a few of them here. 193. I know that small one's probably gonna be good. I like to check the bigger ones, bigger slabs of meat, I guess. Yeah, there's that big one. I'm gonna try to keep it away from the bone. The bone's always pretty hot. Yeah, we're well over. I'll let them rest for about 10-15 minutes. All right, just ready for eating. It's been sitting for a while. It's actually been sitting for about a half an hour. Let's try this one here. Perfect.